Build Enterprise-D from Fanhome. We are back at it. Stage pack 82. Working out a book. What is this? 21. Yes, indeedy. How many do I have after this? I don't remember. 9 more books or something like that. A few boxes behind still. You know the drill. Let's see if we can knock this one out without having any crisis occur. Open this package. I didn't bring my lamp back down here again. Lighting will be a little sus. So we're down in the dungeon still. 82. Let's do this. Alright, looks like we got a deck panel. Metal. That is nice. Got a phaser array. Looks like I have some leftover screws from last pack. Got some AM and some DP screws. Okay, what do we need to do? We need to roll out some of these little life pods. Life boats, whatever you call them. Let's come on down a little bit. These are going to go with the red line oriented towards the outer portion of the saucer. Something like that. Let's get these put in place. And got a couple of little black covers here. We're going to use AM screws, M for metal. So, Den Scourge, what does that mean? Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. We're going to have to dip the tip in some lubricant. Where's my little tray at? Got some oil over here still. Dip the tip. Let's place this one over that. That'll help screw in place. Another cover. And I believe it's going to orient. How's this one going to orient? Like this. Like that. Another AM screw. Load it up with a screwdriver. Dip the tip in the oil. Commence to screwing. Another one. Final one here. Dip the tip. Oh, there we go. Come on, gotta have a lot of down pressure on this. Make sure I got those in tight enough. Double check. Don't want to strip out the heads, but a little tighter there. I think that's going to be okay. Yeah, that's tight as that's going to get. Tell you what. Okay, now what do we got? Oh, nice. Instead of little individual windows, we got a nice panel which I do appreciate. They all should have been like this. Goes in like that. And then we're going to have a little reflector panel here. This one's going to be an AM screw as well. I believe it's going to go something like that. Is that how it goes on? Or is it going like this? Guess it goes on like that. Okay, let me get the screw ready. AM. Dip the tip. Let's get this one started. A lot of down pressure on it. Man, I'll be glad to get this ship done. Okay, that is complete. Well, nope, not complete. We got to put the phaser array on. Phaser array. It's going to go in like that. Flip it back over. So now we got to use some DP screws, because why would you want to use the same size screw throughout the model? That would make too much sense. But yeah, no. Eaglemoss designed it. Fanhome picked it up, saved the build for us. So they are using what Eaglemoss did. Dip the tip. Actually, DP is plastic. P for plastic. I didn't need to dip the tip. It didn't hurt anything, I guess. We only need to dip the tip on the screws that are threading themselves into metal. So let me not dip the tip on the second one. We're going dry. You can just go dry. Raw dog these that go into plastic. Trick is not to over tighten, because it's going into this piece right here. It's plastic, so we don't want to strip that out. Just make sure you snug it down. Now we are done all with that, and we have this final piece here, and we're going to grab this middle section of the battle section, middle windows left. Middle windows left. Orient it this way. This is going to go, it's just going to, window panel is going to slide in like that, and it's just going to chill like a villain until probably the next box, because that's how they do these. You get some parts that just hang out. We're done with this one though. Maybe the quickest one in a while. 82 is in the history books. That is the last for book 21, which is nice to complete. Here is some of the behind the scenes stuff that are in the back of these books here. Redemption 2, where Tasha Yar's daughter becomes a half Romulan, or is a half Romulan. This is kind of one of those Darmok. This is one of those episodes that gets memed a lot because of how they talk. Darmok and Jalad on the ocean. Soaketh his eyes open. Shaka when the walls fell. Alright, that's all I'm going to go into the back behind the scenes of this little booklet here. 21 done. Thanks for hanging out. Stay tuned for the next one. Stay safe out there. Boom.